Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use templates in CapCut on laptop and on PC. So, of course, the first thing you need to do is to download CapCut. You can download CapCut from their official website here, desktop video editor. You can click on this to download for free, right? And then you'll see it's downloading. Here's the setup. You just need to run it and it'll automatically install it for you. You'll see that I already have CapCut open here on my desktop. Now, the way you can use templates is that it doesn't work exactly like mobile, right? The templates here are more like traditional video editing templates. Let's try creating a project here. Let's create a project, and then you'll see that it looks a lot more like a traditional video editor, right? And the templates that's present here is like effects template here, for example. See, there's a lot of templates here you can use. There's transitions templates, a lot of transitions here as well, but you can see a lot of it is locked behind a paywall like this, like the pro version. There's also a lot of text template here as well, like this. This is the text template section. Here you go, like this. But you can see a lot of it is also locked behind a paywall. So that's something you have to deal with here if you're using CapCut PC. I think there's audio templates as well. Yeah, there you go. A lot of pre-made audio here. There's a lot of stickers as well here. Effects as well, of course, the one we went after earlier. And there's also a couple of filters you can use as well, like this. So it's not exactly like the mobile version. If you want to use the mobile version, you could use something called a mobile emulator like BlueStacks. But beware that something like that is sometimes laggy and it might be worth it just to use it on your phone instead. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.